listening. L stand for
listening.
S stand for then speaking. What is that?
Speaking.
S stand for
Speaking.
W stand for writing. R stand for reading. When any teachers are taking class, you must be attentive and listen to class. When which language she is talking is no matter, English or Telugu, but you must listen and think. Afterwards you must rethink. You have brain, is there no? Yes, everybody have brain?
Yes.
That is our computer. God has given us natural computer. That is brain. When you think, our brain will work. It will give us, what will give us? It will give us answer. There is no memory card is not needed to put every day. Our brain should work every day. Did you understand, everybody?
Yes.
When teacher takes class, first you must listen. In English also, any subject, listen the word, how they are pronouncing, and catch it in your brain. If you didn't get, again, something teacher is told me that word, let me think. After thinking, what will do? You will imitate. Small children, you see, are they coming with the form? Or from the small children, do they speak? No children will, they will listen 1 year to their parents, their brother, whoever taking care of. After 1 year or 9 months, they will able to speak. That is the listening and imitating. Did you understand? Reading. Reading should be pakka every day. Loud reading. You must have the loud reading, not simply looking in the mind. At home, any subject, you must read passage, lesson loudly. And your vocal organ should be improved, your tongue should be twisted, your teeth, everything is for vocal. Speaking, it is helping us. Which are the organs? Our vocal cords, teeth, tongue. That is why we are telling loud, and your lips also. That move according to the word. Then third one is writing. What you studied, you must write and see whether that spelling is right or not. Then only your studies will, this 4 you practice in your life daily, your subject will be easy for you.